For this video, I'm going to be introducing a website called Pixton. Pixton is a website that allows you to make comics, and I teach middle school English, and one thing that I have my students do occasionally is to transfer their work, like a book they're reading or an assignment that we have, and transfer it into a comic. Most of the time, I just have my students do it with pen and paper, and everybody's artistic ability varies quite a bit. And I think adding something like Pixton into my classroom would be pretty interesting. So one thing, just looking around with Pixton, there are a ton of different things that you can do with it. So you could just log in up in the corner, and then you can go to a comic builder. You just generate the comic. As you can see, just by looking around, I found that there are thousands and thousands of different things that you can do on Pixton. So let's say you're making a comic about just about anything. You could do a barnyard, and that could be your first panel. If you look over to the left, you can add additional panels. You can change the background. You can add characters in it. Let's say we wanted to have a knight in shining armor in the middle of our farm. You can change what they're saying up here by words. So you could say, hey, input it, and it gives them a text bubble. Again, I teach middle school English, so having text and dialogue and quotes and different panels and things like that are extremely important. You can even change the actions of the characters and what they're doing. You can make them shrug or anything like that. You can put different props in their hand. Let's say this guy has a cell phone. Again, you can do just about anything. Give him a basketball. And then when you're done, you just hit done, title it anything you want. We'll just put my first comic like their example. And you can see your comic. Now, one thing that's really interesting with Pixton is you can actually set up classrooms and English 8. You can tell them what subject. You can put whatever settings on you want, and then they can just sign in with their Google IDs, and it'll show all of your class's comics all in one place. It looks like the students can make an avatar, and there's just a ton of different things you can do with Pixton, and it just gives a different creative outlet. Thanks for watching.